Water. All of us know water is necessary for all forms of life, be it plants or animals, and hence it is crucial for our very existence. According to the Journal of Biological Chemistry, around 83% of the lungs contain water, whereas the kidneys and muscles have around 79% water. The heart and brain are made up of around 79% of water, whereas the skin contains around 64% of water. There is something called as the rule of 3, which states that we cannot stay without air or oxygen for more than 3 minutes, without water for more than 3 days, and without food for more than 3 weeks, which makes it clear that water is more important and crucial for our survival, even more than food. I am dietitian Pradnya Pate, and I am sure you will find this video interesting and enlightening. So remember to like the video and share it with your friends to spread good health, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Water affects the way all our organs work. Our brain has the cerebrospinal fluid and the spinal cord has the spinal fluid, which act as shock absorbers and prevent any kind of damage to these valuable organs. Lack of water intake is associated with diminished cognitive function and has an impact on our memory and concentration. So a good water intake becomes especially important in case of kids and students who are attending schools and colleges. Water also helps keep the eyes, the nasal passage and our mouth moist and helps these organs to function smoothly. Thirdly, water affects the way the skin looks. Good water intake is required for moist skin. Lack of water intake causes dehydration, causes the skin to dry and leads to itching. So remember to drink a lot of water for glowing and radiant skin and to keep those wrinkles away. Water also has an impact on our bowel movement and helps us avoid constipation. So if your system is clear, you're definitely healthy. Blood, which carries oxygen, nutrients and minerals to all the cells, each and every cell of the body, is made up of around 50 to 70% water. When the water intake is inadequate, it makes our blood thick and the effort required by the heart to pump thick blood is more and is one of the reasons responsible for an elevated blood pressure. One more thing is our body requires water to flush out all the toxins via kidneys and the breath. Did you know that our body requires the oxygen and carbon dioxide to be soluble in water, dissolved in water for the gas exchange to happen? So drink enough water so that we give our body a good chance to absorb oxygen. Low water intake is also associated with kidney stones, and all of us know how important the function of kidneys are in terms of throwing toxins out of the body. So drink plenty of water for healthy kidneys. The core temperature of the body is around 37 to 38 degrees Celsius. If this temperature goes up to even 40 degrees Celsius, the chemical reactions in the body cease to exist and the body starts shutting down. In such a case, the skin starts sending sweat out, so water on the surface, to bring the temperature of the body down. So drinking enough water is extremely crucial for our very survival. Lastly, the cartilages, which are found in almost all the joints of the body, are made up of around 80% water. Long-term dehydration takes a toll on the shock absorbing capacity of the cartilage and then has an impact on the bones and the joints of the body. We've heard this numerous times that we need to drink lots of water, but how much water is enough? There are multiple factors that will decide how much water is enough for you, such as your weight, how is the weather outside, or how much is your level of physical activity. But as a thumb rule, every 25 kilos of human weight approximately requires 1 liter of water. So you need to calculate how much is your water intake and ensure that you finish your quota of water for the day. So here is challenge number 4 for you. Let's hydrate ourselves enough. Let's take the challenge of drinking enough water and distance ourselves from the dehydration part. Here are some quick tips to help you drink more water. Number 1, You can fill up the bottles that you need to finish for the day in the morning and ensure you finish those before the day ends. Number 2 is you can take the help of numerous apps that will keep on sending an alert to you to drink up your glass of water. Number 3 is beginning your day with 2 glasses of water, which means you already had 500 ml of water or half a liter of water even before the day begins. The fourth suggestion is, if water looks uninteresting, you can infuse the water and make it flavorful. You can add slices of cucumber, mint, lime, rose petals, cinnamon to make it flavorful and interesting. So let's challenge ourselves to drink the water that is required for the next 3 days. Please share any doubts that you have in the comment box, and we'll be back with the next challenge very soon.